Hello, KMC. So today we have an update from Koala Wallet, which is they've added WalletConnect to both the Android and iOS devices. So that means you can connect to the KMC website and sign and view all your miners, sign transactions. So today I'm going to teach you how to use that real quick. Go to any page on our website, farm.kdamining.club, and on the top right you'll see the wallet. So click that and then click WalletConnect. And you should get a QR code here, so we'll copy that to the clipboard, and then we will open up Koala Wallet. So on the main page here, you see the dice, the 4 dots on it on the bottom. We'll click that, and then we'll click Wallet Connect, and then paste. Allow the paste, and then it will scan and press connect, and scan again, question mark. All right, good. And then you'll see it doesn't show the connected sites just yet. We'll go to the website once again, and then switch back to the Koala Wallet, and that should show up pretty much right away. There it is. So now it will close that pop-up on our website, and we can see we are connected. So let's go to our inventory. On the top left, we can go to our farm page here, and we can see we have a miner in there. So let's go ahead and turn him on. Click turn on, and then click sign. Go back to Koala Wallet, and then whenever I'm recording, it makes me do this multiple times. Anyway, so this shows you all of the capabilities that are in here. So the KMC gas payer is going to be paying for the gas, so you don't have to. We're doing a coin transfer for turning on. The KMC hash rate is paying the Builder Club for while it was turned on. And then we have the account card to make sure that you are the owner of this account. So we'll click confirm. That will scan us, and then we will go back to the website, and we can see successfully turned on 1 miner. So that's the preview, and we'll click send to blockchain. If there's an error there, just send that in our Discord and we'll get that resolved. So send to blockchain, and in about 40 seconds we will have our miner turned on. It's that easy. So if you're looking for a wallet that's more reliable, can do cross-chain transfers much faster than some other wallets. This one's mobile only. They don't have a desktop yet, but that's in the works. So yeah, just check it out.